10 rides right on. You said you're barefoot as can be. Hey, 75, you said you're barefoot as can be. 75, you said you barefoot as can be. Hey, I got a small copy on you, 75. You got a small grip on my lips, 75. Mr. LeadFoot in the Keystone, right there, right back.
Hey, LeadFoot, I got a couple of big guys in there, man, but in between them, I can hear you right there. Hey, LeadFoot, 18 bird watch going back your way. Hope I didn't mash your finger.
You said 18 bird watts, 18 bird watts, 18 bird, 75. You said 18 bird watts. You said I'm in there, but I'm in between keys. Hey, that's all that matters, man. I'm in there. In between keys or not, I'm in that duck plugger. Hey, 75, I got you on this video gate, man. Hey, 75, I got you on this video gate. When we done, I'll post her up. Hey, 75, your friend in the pan, Mr. LeadFoot got down. I'll see you.
Boy, that JB Stone working for you. That JB Stone is working for you. Adam's got down.
Hey, 75, looks like I lost Mother Nature. Hey, 75, looks like I lost Mother Nature. Take care, worldwide, 75. Your LeadFoot in the Keystone got down and gone.
Real good copy. Real good copy. Low side of that JB Stone working.
Hey, worldwide, 75. I'm going to try one more time before I turn this video gate off. Hey, worldwide, 75. I'm going to see if I can pull you out of the mud one more time before this video gate gets turned off. Hey, worldwide, 75 in the Carolinas. Your foot in the Keystone waving and stepping. Breaker, breaker, breaker. No Roger, no contact, no get back. Worldwide, 75. Worldwide 75, your friend in the pan, Mr. FOOT, working his high-fidelity transmitter. Got down. I'll see you. Click, click.